Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, that took a while, but I found the torque for the engine mount bolts, and they are 25.42 Newton meters. So that's the maximum this goes to. I do have a bigger one for the more heavy duty stuff later. Okay, so once again, 12mm on the head and 13. I need a 13. Okay, 13mm. There's no order given to do these, so
Frost on the tank and the sun's barely through. A merino morning, just the sky and the blue. I find the compression waiting for the sign. The needle on the speedo is right in line. One heavy kick and the silence is gone. Awakened giant at the break of the dawn. It's not a scream, it's a low, steady drum. 500cc's getting ready to run, and it goes dug, dug, dug down the road, carrying the weight of a rider's load, up through the twisted Adelaide pines.
these are going to be interesting because I can only get this spinner.
A living connection that you only can feel. No room for the past, no fear of the gray. Just
13.
the damp earth and the warmth of the day. They say peace is a quiet place, stillness and sleep. But mine's in the torque, pulling steady and deep.
Not much room, but just enough.
Exhaust is a
uptight.
chain of palms where the water shines, leaving the city and my worries behind. Yeah, the world fades out when the engine starts, just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart. Pulling into lobby, they'll kill switch down. The silence is louder than the noise of the town. The ticking of the metal as it
The
starts to
extension.
move. Man, there's nothing like the ride on an old school mule.
Okay, now. I will just double check the Newton meters for these ones, and okay, I've been searching through all the books and I can't find a proper torque spec sheet for every bolt that I need on here. Not a 13. So I can get some of them, but not all of them. So that's at 25, but I think that's not enough. I do have a bigger torque wrench for the other ones, so I'm just going to do this one by feel.
Out in the shed where the evenings are brighter, I pull out the wrenches and my drill.
Now this one here is a nut and bolt. The bolt is 13 on this side. $17 on this side, and this one I did manage to find. The bottom two are 50 Newton meters, so I've got the big one here for that. And
Under the halo of the evening sun. I check on the chain and I'm wiping the mud. That single pot motor is pumping my blood. 3 liters to the 100, she takes it so slow.
Yeah. I might rest this on the foot peg bolt. I've got this set at 50. The other one is just the bulk. Got sockets everywhere, except the one I want.
Just me and my Enfield. Watch my step.
13 mil, where did I put that? Okay, then put the two big ones up the top. Okay, 19 and 18 on the other end. Fifty, 50, 50. Front one 69, 7 kilos a metre, 69 Newton meters, 30, I've done those, although the book said 25. Okay, 70. Must be 17. Okay. This one's a bit big, not much room to swing. Okay, that one's done, that was 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 done, that one, and that one. And I think that's all. Double check this side. That's done. That one, that one. Okay, that's the engine mounts all done. That's all for now.